Welcome to Grey Goat Hardware. Discover our premium railing glass panels, combining safety, style, and durability for any space. Made from 1/2 inches tempered safety glass, our panels feature flat polished sides, chamfered edges, matching color, and certification to meet Canadian General Standards Board and ANSI by Safety Glazing Certification Council. Designed for railings and pool enclosures, they ensure both elegance and compliance. Our panels are available in 3 standard heights: 34 inches, 41 inches, and 46 inches. We also offer railing glass panels with hinge and latch cutouts for enhanced functionality. Our railing glass panels pair seamlessly with a variety of systems, including the Arch Lock series, Titan series adjustable railing spigots, Pro series railing posts, our Modern Elegance series architectural aluminum railing system, as well as handrails and cap rails. Factory drop shipment is available for large orders packed securely in crates for safe delivery. Please note, all glass panel sales are final, and customers must confirm panel condition at pickup. Upgrade your railing with Grey Goat Hardware's railing glass panels. Visit ggshardware.com to explore our full collection and start your next project today.